Hello friend, today I am going to show you how to check the current software versions of your LG Smart TV. First, grab your remote and go to the settings. Now you can see all settings, click it. Next, scroll down and select support. Now click on software update. Here you will see your TV's current software versions. This is my current versions. To check for new update, just hit the check for update button. If there's an update, you can download and install it right here. And if you want to turn on auto updates, simply toggle in radio buttons. It keeps your TV up to date automatically. That's it. You are all set. Remember to subscribe to Nira Everything to more simple tips, and thanks for your watching.